1200% on a single trade, a single setup that I shared in my private chat. And I'm going to break it down for you on how I sniped the very bottom on this crypto coin and got a huge win from it. Now, before we get started, I have a Discord server where I teach how to trade. It's completely free. If you want to join it, go into my YouTube profile's bio because I'm not big enough to put the links in the description. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we are on the charts. This is what the setup looks like on the higher time frame. Now let's go on the lower time frame and explain what made me take this. Now here we are on the 15 minutes. If you zoom out a little bit, you can see this low and this high as our range. Now, the same pattern that we're seeing here happens here. We had all these lows, we move up to manipulate, come back lower to take them. So we have our accumulation here and a manipulation and the distribution. But it's a little more than that. What I saw was here, we are trading inside the Wednesday candle. We are trading inside the 24-hour trading window of Wednesday. Here, it closes. And I don't want to buy inside of here because of the understanding of OHLC. I don't want to be buying the close of a candle. I want to buy the low of it. So I'll wait for the next day open. Thursday opens here. We have our midnight open right there on this candle. If you were to draw that out, it would look like this. That is my midnight open. Price manipulates below here. What does this look like here? It looks like Asia session, London session, manipulation. That is where I entered for buys. Not here, below here. I wanted the best possible entry, and this is what gave me that entry. Now, this right here is an accumulation as well to then manipulate below the slope. But for the best entries, I was waiting for the internal power of tree, which you can see here, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now, this is more than just a normal power of tree setup because I have a very, very, very deep understanding of the power tree. And I believe it's what run the markets, and my students are absolutely killing it trading this. And I have caught very crazy trades on crypto trading this. Just another example of that is Bitcoin. Now, we're on Bitcoin. You can see the same setup occurring here. You have our accumulation, a manipulation. This was also a manipulation, but it didn't give us the highs that we wanted. This manipulation is higher probability. Why? Because it is followed by a smaller power of tree here, the accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then another one here. We don't take this low, but instead we take the lows that matter. We sweep with this place. If you zoom in here, you can see this candle acting as an order block, and then we bounce off accumulation, manipulation into the internal range liquidity. We bounce up again, and we reach all-time highs. There are people in my Discord who have made a ton of money from this. Just one example of that is right now on the screen. You can see we're killing it. All right. Make sure you join the Discord server. That is completely free. I just gave you a trade recap on everything that I look for. Okay? See you in the next one.